Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com. We are in sunny California. We are on Sunset Boulevard. I cannot wait to show you this gem of a hotel that we found. This is Palihotel. Look at how quaint and perfect this property is. This is the lobby area. They have a great little bar area, an awesome pool that I will show you in a minute, a cute little coffee shop back in here. This property is literally 2 blocks from the Chinese Theater, El Capitan, Hollywood Boulevard, all of that. And guess what? It's also affordable. So I'll give you details on that below. So make sure to check that out. This property is also right next door to an In-N-Out Burger. So if that's your thing, another added perk. But again, walking distance to so many great things. So I want to show you, we're going to show you 2 room styles. This is room 235. This is a king bedroom. I will give you a look at this room and how it's laid out, and then we will also take a look at one of their queen bedrooms because they're a little bit different. This is, like I said, a small property. I believe there's 75 rooms. Such a great vibe and feel throughout this property. Very, very clean. And as I mentioned, affordable. It blows my mind that you could find such a great little place so close to Hollywood Boulevard that is also just so well done. The decor, the vibe, kind of the retro feel. This property has everything. We loved it. So here's a peek at the bathroom area, the products. Nice rain shower. Again, super clean. We love that they had snack options in the room and some really good ones, I might add. Just so well done with the decor and the layout and the colors. And then the real kicker to this property is that everything surrounds this awesome pool area. Almost all of the rooms have a patio or a deck that you can walk, a balcony that you can walk out onto. Look at this, isn't that fabulous? And that California sunshine just comes right on down. And again, like I said, this location is perfect. You can walk to just about everything, take an Uber or Lyft over to Beverly Hills or Anaheim or wherever else you want to go. But this is really a great location if you want to experience Hollywood and do all of the things right in this area. So again, this is the king bed. So fun. Now I'm going to give you a look at room 232, which is the queen option. These were both priced the same, but the layout is a little bit different, as you can see. I feel like this room is a little bit roomier, but the bed in the king obviously is bigger. So kind of depends on what you need bed size wise. But again, just this fun retro vibe. The decor is so good. So these rooms are very similar, as you can see. I think if I had to pick and I didn't need the king bed, I kind of like this queen room a little better just because of where the bathroom is placed. But basically the same layout, really. So good. Just all these little touches in here that make this property feel so luxury. And again, the price tag. I will give you a tip. Book through their website. Again, these products are so good. Everything is really well done here. Book through their website. It's better for the property and you will get a better deal. Bathroom areas. Just really, really fun. feel good property. The people here are amazing. Big shout out to Arlie, Rob, and Honde. I hope I'm saying her name right. They were amazing. Just, if you stay here one day and you're able to get to know the people that work here, that says a lot about a property, right? So we just felt like we were treated like we were at home. We were welcome. And that is one of the best feelings that you can have when you're staying somewhere other than home, right? So well done. I want to show you out here around the pool area because, as I mentioned earlier, this is just a huge part of this property that makes it so fabulous. Look at this amazing view. It's just this great little spot right in the middle of Sunset Boulevard. Here is a peek at what this looks like at night. It's really magical and it's quiet. Just a really cool, chill property with the very best vibe. So good. We loved it. I will leave all of the information about this and what we loved and where you can find more information down below. Just a fun little place to stay close to all of the things in Hollywood. Again, this is Palihotel right on Sunset Boulevard, right next to Hollywood. All the details on that down below. I wanted to give you a peek also at Palihotel Melrose. This hotel property is up in the Beverly Hills area, obviously a sister property. Again, this one looks really cool, so if you want a hotel hop, this might be a great option. All the details down below. Let me know if you have questions. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.